Hi guys, welcome back to Crafty Kids. In this video we'll be seeing how to make a miniature sunglass for our dolls. So let's get started. So for this activity we need a rectangular piece of paper. So the first step is that you should take the top part of the paper and fold it to the bottom part. So I'm folding it. So after we're done folding, you'll get a paper like this. The next step is that we have to fold this paper in half. So I'm folding it in half. We have to fold it in half so that the two corners meet. So I'm done folding it in half and now I'm opening it. So after we're done opening, we will see that one end is not completely folded to the corner. So we have to keep that end on the bottom right. Then we have to fold the left hand side end to the bottom. It should be folded to the bottom so that the top part touches the corner. So after we're done folding, we'll get the paper like this. The next step is that we have to fold the paper little by little until it touches the bottom part here. So I'm folding it. I folded it once and I'm folding it one more time. And I'm folding it again. And I'm folding it the fourth time. And now we'll get the paper like this. Now we have to fold the sunglass a little bit on both the sides and we have to unfold it back. So I'm folding it on one side and I'm now unfolding it on the opposite side. Now our paper sunglass is ready. So now we have to fold it a little bit on the bottom so that it will look nice. So it's a very beautiful sunglass and you can make it in an easy way. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. Bye!